Hi! In this video, I will show you how to protect your Word documents with a password. Go up here to File and go to Protect Document and choose Encrypt with Password. Enter a new password. And enter that password again. Press OK. And close your document. Open your file again. And now you must enter that password. If you want to remove the password, go up to File again and down to Protect Documents. Encrypt with Password. Remove all letters and press OK. And now the documents are not protected with the password. And that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you get the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.